And another report now that Abhishek has sent to us. This is, remember, from an arterial road, which is very crucial when you talk of connectivity between India and Kathmandu. There are frantic efforts now being put into place to clear the landslide which has blocked this road to Kathmandu near Pokhara. Several ambulances which are carrying patients right now are in the traffic that has been stalled after a landslide in the early hours today.
We are on an important arterial highway that connects India to Kathmandu Valley. In fact, this highway connects 75 Nepal districts to the valley, as also Pokhara, because of this landslide, there is a massive jam on both the sides. Relief and rescue and resource materials for the people stuck there is stuck here. Ambulances, food material.
हमारा फैमिली का लोग है काठमांडू में फंसे हुए, उनको लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
और कोई रोड नहीं है वहाँ जाने के लिए?
दूसरा रोड नहीं है, ये नेपाल का काठमांडू जाने का छोटा और अच्छा रोड यही है।
We are here for traveling, just traveling.
You are stuck for how long now?
We stayed 2 days already.
Another bulldozer has come. One is working on the other side of this landslide, which happened midnight, and it's been more than 12 hours. You can see the frenetic pace that this has picked up. Even the authorities have taken note of it. This is a very important highway, and the only highway that connects India on the Bihar and UP side to the Kathmandu Valley, and as I mentioned, Pokhara. As this blockade has stopped all transmission of material and communication of Kathmandu Valley with the rest of the country, about 75 districts, we can see about half a dozen or more ambulances that are stuck on this side, which are badly needed perhaps in the valley because of all the death and destruction that has taken place there. आप कब से यहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं?
मैं कम से कम 5 घंटे हो गए यहाँ से जम।
ये एम्बुलेंस किस लिए वहाँ जा रहे थे?
ये पेशेंट लेके बिराम लेके भरतपुर से रिफर किया पेशेंट लेके जा रहा हूँ।
This is yet another example of a patient suffering because of this blockade that has been caused by this landslide. This patient who has been stuck for some hours.
लगभग हो गया 7 घंटा।
कब चले थे आप वहाँ से?
वो तो मालूम नहीं है, हम 2 बजे रात को आए थे, अभी 11 बज गया, 11:30, लगभग 7.5 घंटे हो गया।
The government is getting into a frenetic pace. Another bulldozer has been requisitioned, and efforts are being made to clear it as soon as possible. So hopefully this blockade, which has been there for over 12 hours, would be cleared soon. With Himanshu, this is Abhishek in Chitwan district of Nepal for Times Now.